If you're seeing an availability status error message on Windows 11, especially while using the Microsoft Store or Xbox app, don't worry. You don't need any technical knowledge to fix this. In this video, I'll show you simple step-by-step methods that anyone can follow. Let's start. First, make sure your internet connection is working properly. Open any website in your browser like Google or YouTube. If the internet is slow or not loading, fix that first because this error often appears due to connection issues. Now, let's move to the actual fixes. Method 1. Restart Microsoft Store services. Click on the Start button at the bottom of your screen. Type Services and open it. A new window will appear. Scroll down and find these services one by one: Microsoft Store Install Service, Windows Update, and Background Intelligent Transfer Service. For each service, do this. Right-click on it, then click Restart. Once restarted, close the Services window and check if the error is gone. Method 2. Reset Microsoft Store. This method fixes most availability status errors. Click on Start, type WS Reset, then right-click on it and select Run as Administrator. A black window will open for a few seconds. Do not close it. The Microsoft Store will open automatically once the reset is complete. Now, check again if the availability status error is fixed. Method 3. Check date and time settings. Wrong date and time can cause this issue. Right-click on the time in the bottom right corner. Click Adjust Date and Time. Turn on Set Time Automatically and Set Time Zone Automatically. After that, click Sync Now. Close the settings window and try again. Method 4. Sign out and sign back in. Open Microsoft Store, click on your profile icon at the top, then click Sign Out. Restart your computer. After restarting, open Microsoft Store again and sign in using your Microsoft account. This refreshes your account connection and often fixes the error. Method 5. Update Windows 11. Click Start, then go to Settings. Click Windows Update, then click Check for updates. If updates are available, install them and restart your PC. Outdated Windows versions can cause availability status errors. Final check. After completing these steps, open the Microsoft Store or Xbox app again. In most cases, the availability status error will be completely fixed. And that's it. If this video helped you fix the availability status error on Windows 11, please like, share, and subscribe for more easy Windows tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.